Good morning, all of you. Today I am going to make an audio recording for visually impaired student of organic chemistry book. Name of the chapter is Epoxides. Introduction. Epoxides are cyclic ether having three-membered ring in which oxygen is one of the atom. They are also known as alkene oxide or oxyrenes. The simplest oxide is ethylene oxide. In the common system, epoxide are called as alkylene oxide. In the IUPAC system, they are named as alkene oxide, epoxy alkanes, or oxyrenes. The common and IUPAC name of some epoxides are given below for the sake of illustration. The chemical behavior of epoxide is quite different from acyclic ether. Synthesis of epoxide. Epoxidation of alkene. Epoxides are usually prepared by the reaction between an alkene and an organic peroxo acids, also known as peracid. The reaction is known as epoxidation. For example, alkene plus peroxo acid give rise to epoxide. Peroxo acid commonly used in this reaction are peroxoformic acid, peroxoacetic acid, peroxobenzoic acid, and chloroperoxybenzoic acid. When a solution of peroxoacid and alkene in ether or chloroform is allowed to stand, epoxide is formed. For example, 2-butene plus peroxobenzoic acid give rise to 2,3-dimethyl ethylene oxide. Chlorohexene plus peroxobenzoic acid give rise to cyclohexene oxide. It may be noted that epoxidation of alkene is a stereospecific reaction in which the stereochemistry of the substituent on the double bond is maintained. Thus, a cis-alkene gives a cis-epoxide and a trans-alkene gives a trans-epoxide. The reagent most commonly employed for epoxidation of alkene these days is magnesium monoperoxyphthalate (MMPP). Mechanism. The mechanism of the epoxidation involves the transfer of an electrophilic oxygen atom from peroxo acid to alkene as depicted below. Second is from halohydrine. When halohydrine prepared by the reaction of aqueous solution of chlorine or bromine with alkenes are treated with a base, HX is eliminated to yield an epoxide. For example, alkene plus chlorine plus water give rise to ethylene chlorohydrine plus HCl. Then ethylene chlorohydrin plus KOH give rise to ethylene oxide plus KCl plus H2O. Mechanism. The base attack the halohydrin to abstract the hydrogen from OH part of halohydrin to form an alkoxide ion. The nucleophilic oxygen of the alkoxide ion displaces the halogen from the adjacent carbon to form the epoxide as shown below. It may be seen that the reaction involves intramolecular, it means within the same molecule, nucleophilic substitution and is therefore treated as intramolecular Wilmanson synthesis. It should also be noted that as an SN2 reaction, the attack of nucleophile takes place from the backside of carbon halogen bond. Third is from manufacture of ethylene oxide. Ethylene oxide is manufactured by passing a mixture of ethylene and air under pressure over silver catalyst at 475 to 675 Kelvin. For example, ethene plus O2 in the presence of silver 475 to 675 Kelvin temperature give rise to ethene oxide. Reactions of epoxide. In contrast to acyclic ether, which are chemically quite inert, epoxide shows high chemical reactivity. This is due to the highly strained nature of the three-membered ring system. Ring opening reaction of epoxide. In the three-membered ring containing oxygen, the carbon-oxygen carbon bond angle and the carbon-carbon oxygen bond angle are nearly 60 degrees each. This large distortion from the normal tetrahedral angle of 109.5 degree causes very large strain in the epoxide molecule. As a result, epoxide undergo a number of ring opening reactions quite easily. These reactions take place through the cleavage of one of the carbon-oxygen bond and may be either catalyzed by acid or brought about the bases or nucleophiles. First is acid catalyzed ring opening. Just as simple ether undergo cleavage of the molecule on the reaction with acid, epoxide undergo ring cleavage on the treatment with acid even under mild condition. Acid catalyzed hydrolysis. One of the most important cleavage reaction of epoxide is their hydrolysis to form 1,2-glycols. Hydrolysis takes place even in the presence of dilute mineral acid at room temperature. Epoxide plus H2 in the presence of H positive ion give rise to glycol. For example, ethylene oxide plus H2 in the presence of H positive ion give rise to ethane 1,2 diols or ethylene glycol. Acid catalyst reaction with alcohol. For example, ethene oxide plus CH3CH2OH in the presence of H2SO4 give rise to 2-ethoxyethanol. Reaction with halogen acid. Epoxide react with HCl and HBr to form chloro and bromohydrine. For example, ethene oxide plus HBr give rise to ethylene bromohydrine. Mechanism of acid catalyst ring opening. The mechanism of acid catalyst ring cleavage may be illustrated by considering the hydrolysis of epoxide. In the acid catalyst hydrolysis of epoxide, the epoxide is initially protonated by the acid. The protonated epoxide then undergoes nucleophilic attack SN2 by water to cause ring opening by breaking carbon-oxygen bond. The reaction is completed by the loss of a proton as depicted below. Nucleophilic ring opening. Unlike simple ether which do not undergo ring cleavage by a base or nucleophile, cleavage of epoxide ring take place even by such reagent due to ring strain in their molecules. For example, when treated with OH negative ion at high temperature, epoxide ring get cleavage to form 1,2 glycols. For example, ethylene plus H2 in the presence of OH negative ion give rise to ethene 1,2 diols or ethylene glycol. Mechanism of nucleophilic ring opening. The mechanism of nucleophilic ring opening is shown below with the help of basic hydrolysis of ethylene epoxide. The strongly nucleophilic hydroxide ion attacks the epoxide and displaces the oxygen atom from one carbon by SN2 reaction. The product thus formed get protonated to form the glycol as depicted below. Orientation of ring opening. First is anti-addition. The ring opening of epoxide leads to the formation of product corresponding to anti-addition to carbon-carbon double bond. For example, acid catalyst hydrolysis of cyclopentane oxide yield trans 1,2-cyclopentane diol. For example, cyclopentane oxide plus H2 in the presence of H positive ion give rise to trans 1,2-cyclopentane diol. Second is regioselectivity. Unsymmetrical oxygenes can undergo ring opening in two different phases and generally lead to the different product in acidic or basic medium. In acidic medium, the nucleophiles generally get attached to the more substituted carbon, while in basic medium, the nucleophile become attached to the less substituted carbon. For example, isobutylene oxide plus CH3OH in the presence of H positive ion give rise to major product in which nucleophile CH3O negative get attached to the more substituted carbon atom. Whereas in case of CH3O negative ion in the presence of CH3OH give rise to major product in which nucleophile get attached to the less substituted carbon atom. Explanation. The difference in regioselectivity in acidic and basic media may be justified as follows. In basic medium, the ring opening is an SN2 displacement by the nucleophile on the unprotonated oxygenes. As in other SN2 reaction, the attack takes place at the less substituted and less sterically hindered carbon atom. The less sterically hindered carbon undergo SN2 attack. In acidic medium, the first step is the protonation of oxygen of the oxygen ring. Due to electron releasing group attached to the more substituted carbon, positively charged oxygen attract the electron pair of its bond with this carbon to a greater extent than the electron pair of bond with the less substituted carbon. As a result, the more substituted carbon-oxygen bond become weaker than the less substituted carbon-oxygen bond. Therefore, ring opening take place preferably at the more substituted carbon-oxygen bond and the product contain the nucleophile attached to the more substituted carbon atom. Other nucleophilic ring opening reaction. First is reaction with Grignard reagent and organolithium reagents. Epoxide also undergo nucleophilic ring opening reaction with Grignard reagent and organolithium reagents. The product initially formed on hydrolysis yield a primary alcohol containing large number of carbon atoms. The epoxide generally used in this reaction is ethylene oxide and the alcohol formed contain 2 carbon atoms more than in the Grignard reagent. For example, N-propyl magnesium bromide plus Ethylene oxide in the presence of ether give rise to CH3CH2CH2 CH2CH2 OMGBr. In the presence of H3O positive ion give rise to 1-pentanol plus MgOH Br. Other example is N-butyl lithium plus ethylene oxide in the presence of ether give rise to CH3CH2 CH2 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 CH2O lithium, and in the presence of H3O positive ion give rise to 1-hexanol plus LiOH. Reaction with alcohol. Ethylene oxide plus CH3OH in the presence of CH3O negative Na positive ion give rise to 2-methoxy 1-ethanol. Reaction with ammonia. Ethylene oxide plus ammonia give rise to 2-amino 1-ethanol. Reaction with hydrogen cyanide in the presence of H2 give rise to ethylene cyanohydrine. Reaction with LiAlH4 give rise to CH3CH2OH plus LiAlO2. Thank you.